In a market with low inventory and high prices, many smart investors are stopping the search for existing homes and starting to build their own from the ground up. But financing a new construction project is very different from buying a standing house. This is where the ground-up construction loan comes in. Unlike a standard mortgage where you get all the money at closing, a construction loan works on a draw schedule. This means the lender releases funds in stages, first for the foundation, then for the framing, roofing, and so on after an inspection confirms the work is done. The best part for investors is that these loans typically cover a large portion of the land cost and up to 100% of the construction budget. Plus, during the building phase, you usually only pay interest on the money that has actually been used, keeping your monthly costs low until the project is finished. Whether you are building a spec home to sell for a profit or a build-to-rent property to keep for the long term, we can help you structure the financing to get your project out of the dirt and into the market. Visit the link in the description to start your construction application today.